Chapter 9. We are going to learn about repeat. And I'm kind of funny today because I'm waking up. This is episode 5. And we are going to press the plus button. We are going to add a background and a character. So we're going to move it outside. So next we are going to program this guy to talk. So go to this AC. W-E-L-C-O-M-E. Press go in the sunlight, then go to the sky, microphone. Welcome. I may not do this. Oops. So you have to go to purple. Then whenever I start, it'll say W E L C O M E. Go, welcome. Then it will go in 10 minutes to another background. So I have to do that first. Go here with the background. Next background will be snow. Here, snow, Christmas. Well, oh, because I pressed cancel, so I don't have to press cancel. I was thinking about snow complete. Then first welcome, then snow. So I'll add the same character here. I'll show you how to use repeat. So I'll go to orange. Yellow. I have to go touch. Then orange. Repeat. And blue. Then jump. Then purple. Just do purple to do the sign of jump. So delete high. I have to jump. J U M P. Go. That's done. I'm going to test this guy. So I'll go full screen. Touch. Only one jump. Sound here should go. Like, I don't know how many jumps it's going yet. So it's going 4 jumps. So I have to let it go 7 jumps. Wait. Next I will test it out. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, well, I counted wrong, so it's working, but so I did a mistake here. So I have to put this next scene. Now I'll test if it's working. Look, now it's working. Next, I have to put red a dot. Stop. So next, I have to go to next scene again. Is the campsite. Now I have to go background. This camp. So, oops. This one. Complete. This one. Next, I have to do the same guy. Then the same guy. The same guy. Done. Next, I have to. Now I'll tell this. I have to ask this guy to say thank you. Go yellow start the flag. Whenever start, then sound. Thank you. Next, I'll do stop. I made a mistake here, so it have to do pop sound also. Do this, then go to red, press do this. Now I'll test it out for this scene. Start. Welcome. Press jump 1, 2. That's good to subscribe my channel. It's really good. Watch them. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.